when I come back, while I go where I'm You know why we are all gathered here today? The government of today has taken Nigerians and Nigerian workers for life. Is that not true? We were welcome at the inaugural day speech of Mr. President that is going to remove fuel subsidy. And the question is we are removing subsidy, what are the measures put in place to mitigate the impact that is follow? But you and I will agree that up to today, since May 29, nothing substantial has been made available to us as Nigerians and Nigerian workers. Am I right? Yes. And that is why we are here today, that as a people, united in the faith that we will liberate ourselves, we will vent our anger, and will tell the world that today, Nigeria government must feel and appreciate that Nigerian workers are suffering, right? Yes. Fellow comrades, we are here today with our program of activities lined up. Our leaders are here to give us leadership, and that leadership is that we will march through the city of Rivers State, Harcourt, and tell the world that today, government must do the needful. Government must do the needful. And what are those things? The government must build our refineries. The government must grant us trade the war. The government must provide financing. Is it not? Are we all on the same page? At this juncture, since we have all known that we are going out on this protest, we will need room for our leaders to address us today and how we are going to march today. Distinguished comrades, ladies and gentlemen.
got it by struggle.
Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom
Sorrow we were got it by struggle.
Freedom come by struggle, by struggle.
Let the ball breathe, Tinubu.
Our refinery should be fixed.
Tinubu reverse the report.
Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come.
Mandela got it by struggle.
Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom
Sorrow we were got it by struggle.
Allow us to breathe,
On the current happenings in Nigeria, occasioned by the federal government removal of subsidy and the hardship that came with it, the suffering, the trauma Nigerians are passing through. As a people, they said they should let us breathe. Your Excellency, sir, we cannot breathe. The price of PMS have increased from 5.12 today to 6.17. Your Excellency, today you can agree with me that in Nigeria, everything is controlled by the price of PMS. Once the PMS pump price increase, everything increase. Today, transportation everywhere has increased. School fees has increased. Price of goods and services has increased. But our salaries has not increased. Our rents have been increased. Our salaries have not been increased. The masses are suffering. So as NLC, TUC, civil society group, who represent the masses of Nigeria, we say we will not keep quiet. We will not keep quiet. We have to come to you as directed by our National Secretariat to present demands of NLC, of the workers, of the civil society group to Your Excellency. So we will not fail to appreciate you. Also want you to also advise in that line the provision of the palliative buses to reverse people, which has also reduced the impact of the petroleum subsidy removal. Well, thank you, sir. If that is done earlier, which we are asking for, that the federal government should provide palliative before they remove the subsidy. They refuse, they did not hearken to us. We said that they should put the refineries in order before the regulation. They refuse to listen to us. They said they want subsidy out. They want the poor to breathe. But today, we are not breathing. We are not breathing. Nigerians are dying on daily basis. People are going back to poverty. The rich are being enriched on daily basis. Yes, sir. Please, this is our demand. Sir, standing here with us, the Chief of Staff of Rivers State government, ably representing the Governor of Rivers State. Sir, we present these demands to you, sir. And these are our demands. Number one, we ask for immediate implementation in good faith of the resolutions with the Congress jointly signed with government and TUC. Number two, we request for immediate reversal of all anti-poor policies of government, including the recent hike in PMS price, school fees, and VAT. We ask that our local refineries in Port Harcourt, Warri, Kaduna should be fixed immediately. We ask that the release of 8 months with salaries of university lecturers and workers should be paid. We ask that the federal government to accord appropriate recognition and support to the Presidential Steering Committee and the work of ESOP committees. And we ask for the federal government to put to stop of all inhuman actions and policies of government. Your Excellency, these are our demands, not limited to this, but we present this to you onward to His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Please, sir, that is our position. That is why we are here, sir. Thank you very much.
His Excellency has assured that he feels the plight of his people, the pains that our people are going through, that he feels it as your leader, as your servant. And you can assure with me that His Excellency is the first governor in the entire length of this country that went ahead knowing the implication and feeling the implication of that decision to release free buses for the people of Rivers State. His Excellency has also asked me to let you know that difficult times require difficult decisions, and has asked that I should appeal to each and every one of you to be patient. You have presented this communique. His Excellency I will present to him, and he will definitely ensure that it gets to the appropriate authorities at the national level. At the state level, he has asked that I should assure you that he is restless. He is restless, and he is ever willing to do everything humanly possible within his power as the governor of Rivers State to ensure that the challenges, the current challenges that are being felt by not just only members of the labor, but the generality of the masses of Rivers State, that those challenges are promptly addressed. He has asked me to tell you to be patient with him, to come on board and work with him, to give him the necessary support and give him time to see the manifestation of the policies that he has already planned and to put in place. I want to assure you that the document I have this morning will be submitted to His Excellency, and it will be so submitted to the national level.